नारायणं नमस्कृत्यं नरं चैव नरोत्तमं देवीं सरस्वती व्यासं ततो जयमुदीरयेत्। मूकं करोति वाचालं पङ्गुं लङ्घयति गिरिं यत्कृपातमहं वन्दे परमानन्दमाधवम्। सीतारामभ्यं नमः, राधाकृष्णाय नमः। ओम श्री कृष्ण गोविंदाय नमो नमः। जय श्री कृष्ण। I am giving all of you Jai Shri Krishna, Jai Shri Ram. Today is a great day for all of us. Once again, we meet together. So, as you all know, I am Jagannath Pandit JP Sir from Odisha, spiritual and motivational public speaker. I am giving my public speaking in different schools and colleges, also motivating to the peoples and students. My main intention to motivate to the people to think positive and get positive and change their mindset and become free from disease and become free from the anxiety, depression, which is now just so much affected to the society. So my dear viewers, once again I am just appeal to all of you. This is a beautiful topic of Gita. As you all know, Gita is our holy book, but you are just neglecting that. So my dear viewers, my dear trustworthy viewers, those are watching my videos, please try to watch till end, because if it is not good to listen, but it may be give you so much fruitful result in future, because you are listening one of the great lesson from the Lord Shri Krishna. Okay, so this is not useless, because so many people thinking this is the video is so lengthy, around 20 minutes, so I don't have to watch this, but actually I am just appeal to all of you, please watch whatever you can. Okay, and after that I'm just telling if it is good for you, so please like and subscribe this channel, because the channel will grow more and more. In future also I will bring so many healing sessions, though, so that healing you can heal yourself, and the mind session, mind coaching session, so every session is there. Just try to understand and give me that such type of motivation I need from you, because I am motivating to the other people. I need somehow some motivation from your side. Okay, thank you all for listening my words. So let's come to the chapter number 10, because you all know already we have discussed in the chapter till chapter number 9, and that is all available in this channel. So let's come to the chapter number 10, Dasamadhyaya. Om Shri Paramatmane Namah. श्री भगवान उवाच भूय एव महाबाहो शृणु मे परमं वचः यतेऽहं प्रीयमाणाय वक्ष्यामि हितकाम्यया. Sri Bhagavan said, Arjun, hear once again my supreme word, which I shall speak to you, who are so loving out of solicitude for your welfare. नामे विदुसुरगणाः प्रभवन्नमहर्षयः अहमादिर्हि देवानां मार्तीणां च सर्वशः. Neither gods nor the great sages know the secret of my birth, my manifestation in human or other forms out of mere sport, for I am the prime cause of in all respect of gods as well as the great seers. जो माम जनमादिं च वेति लोकमहेश्वरं असम्मूढ समर्थेषु सर्वपापै प्रमुच्यते. He who knows me in reality as the birthless and without beginning, and as the supreme Lord of the universe, he undeluded among men is past all science. बुद्धि ज्ञान सम्मोह क्षमा सत्यं दमः समा सुखं दुःखं भवो भावो भयं चाभयमेव. अहिंसा समता तुष्टि तपोदानं यशो यश भवन्ति भावभूतानां मत एव प्रतिविधाः. Reason, right knowledge, unclouded understanding, forbearance, veracity, control over the senses and mind, joy and sorrow, evolution and dissolution, fear and fearlessness, non-violence, equanimity, contentment, austerity, charity, fame and Obloquy these diverse traits of creatures emanate from me alone. God is telling whatever emanates all from me. So please focus on me and my words. Okay. So this is a beautiful message given by the God. We all the human beings and all creatures should believe in God only, nothing else. Okay. Maharsayah sapta purve chatvaro manavasthatha Madhava Manasa Jata Jesang Loka Ima Praja. The seven great seers, their four elders, Sanaka and others, and the 14 Manus are the progenitors of mankind, such as Swayambhuva and his successor, who were all devoted to me, were born of my will. From them, all these creatures in the world have come into being. एतं विभूतिं जोगं च मम जो वेति तत्त्वतः सोऽपि कम्पने योगेन पुज्युज्यते मात्र संशयः. He who knows his reality, this supreme divine glory and supernatural power of mine, gets established in me through unfaltering devotion. Of this there is no doubt. Aham sarvasya prabho mata sarva pravartate iti matva bhajanti mang buddha bhava samanyutaha. I am the source of all creation and everything in the world moves because of me. Knowing thus, the wise, full of devotion, constantly worship me. Machchitamagata prana bodayantasya parasparam kathayantasya manityam tushyanti cha ramanti cha. With their mind fixed on me and their life surrendered to me, conversing and enlightening one another about my glories, my devotees even remain contented and take delight in me. Tesang satvajuktanang bhajavatang pritipurvakang dadami buddhi yogam tang jena mamupayanti te. One those you are untied through meditation with me and worshipping me with love, I confer that yoga of wisdom by which they come to me. तेषामेवानुकम्पार्थमहम ज्ञानजङ्कतमः नासायाम्यात्मभावस्तो ज्ञानदीपेन भावस्पतः. In order to bestow my compassion on them, I, dwelling in their hearts, dispel their darkness born of ignorance by the illuminating lamp of knowledge. Arjuna Vacha Parang Brahma Parang Dhama Pavitrang Paramang Bhavang Purusang Shastvatang Divyam Adidevam Ajang Vibhum Ahustvam Rasaya Sarve Devastita Dasada Astito Devalo Vyasa Swayam Chaiva Pravisime. Arjuna said, you are the transcendent eternal, the supreme abode and the greatest purifier. All the seers speak of you as the eternal divine Purusha, the primeval deity, unborn and all-pervading. Likewise speak the celestial sage Narada, the sages Asita and Devala, and the great sage Vyasa and yourself too proclaim this to me. Sarvametadvatang manye janmavadasi kesava nahi te bhagavat bhagavantyati vidurdeva nadanavaha. Krishna, I believe as true all that you tell me. Lord, neither demons nor gods are aware of your manifestations. Swayamevātmanātmānaṁ vecchattvang puruṣottama bhūtabhāvana bhūtesa devadeva jagatpate. O creator of beings, O ruler of creatures, God of gods, the Lord of the universe, O supreme Purusha, you alone know what you are by yourself. Bhaktur maharse sena divya hyatma vibhutayah yavir vibhuti varlokya nivastvang bhaktatistasi. Therefore you alone can describe in full your divine glories whereby you pervade all these worlds. Kathang vidyamaham yogistvang sada parichintayan kesu kesu chavabesu chintyasi bhagavan maya. O master of yoga, through what process of continuous meditation shall I know you? And in what particular forms, O Lord, are you to be meditated upon by me? विस्तरेणात्मनो जोगं विभूतिं च जनार्दन भूया कथय तृप्तिर्हि शृण्वतो नास्ति ते मेऽमृतं. Krishna, tell me once more in detail your power of yoga and your glory, for I know no satiety in hearing your nectar like words. श्री भगवान वाच हन्तते कथयिष्यामि दिव्यात्म विभूतयः प्राधान्यता कुरु श्रेष्ठ नास्त्यन्तो विस्तरस्य मे. So Bhagavan said, Arjun, now I shall tell you my prominent divine glories, for there is no limit to my manifestations. Aham atma gudakesa sarvabhutasaya sthitah aham adischa madhyancha bhutanam anta eva cha. Arjun, I am the universal self-seated in the hearts of all beings. So I alone am the beginning, the middle and also the end of all beings. Adityanamaham Vishnu Jyoti Sangravirantuman Marichir Marutamasmi Mannakshatranamaham Sasi. I am Vishnu among the 12 sons of Aditi and the radiant sun among the luminaries. I am the glow of the Marutas, the 49 with gods, and the moon, the lord of the stars. Vedanang Samavedosmi, Devanamasmi Vasava, Indriyanang Manassasmi, Bhutanamasmi Chetana. Here is God is describing who is He and how He is powerful. Listen carefully, my dear viewers. This is very, very good things. Just believe in God. Nothing else is truth without God. Among the Vedas, I am the Samaveda. Among the gods, I am Indra. Among the organs of perception, that is senses, I am the mind and I am consciousness, life energy in living beings. Rudranang Sankarasasmi, Bite Sanjaksharaksasang, Basunang Pavakasasmi, Merusi Karinamahang. Among the 11 Rudras, gods of destruction, I am Shiva. Among the Yakshas and Rakshas, I am the Lord of riches, Kubera. Among the 8 Vasus, I am the God of fire, and among the mountains, I am the Meru. Purodha Sanchamukhyang Mang Vidhi Partha Bruhaspating Senanina Mahang Skandaha Sarasamasmi Sagaraha. Among the priests, Arjun know me to be their chief, Bruhaspati. Among warrior chief, I am Skanda. And among the reservoirs of water, I am the ocean. Maharsinang Bhugurahang Giramasya Gakshamayam Jagyanang Javadagyosmi Stavaranang Himalaya. Among the great seers, I am Bhrugu. Among words, I am the single syllable Om, Om. Among sacrifices, I am sacrifice of Japa, muttering of sacred formulas. Among the immovables, the Himalaya, Japa. Asatha sarvabhukshanang devarsinang chanaradaha gandharvanang chitraratha siddhanang kapilamunihi. Among all trees, I am Asatha. Among the celestial sages, Narada. Among the Gandharvas, Chitraratha, and among the Siddhas, I am the sage Kapila. Ujai Srabha Samaswanang Vidhi Samama Mrutadhavang Airabatang Rajendranang Naranang Chandradipang. Among horses, know me to be the celestial horse Ujai Srabha, begotten of the churning of the ocean along with nectar. Among mighty elephants, Airavata, Indra's elephants. And among men, I am the king. Ayudhanamaham Bajrang Dhenunamasmi Kamadhuk Prajanastasmi Kandarpaha Sarpanamasti Vasukihi. Among weapons, I am the thunderbolt. Among cows, I am the celestial cow Kamadhenu, the cow of plenty. I am Kandarpa, the generative passion which leads to procreation as enjoyed by the scriptures. Among serpents, I am Vasuki. Ananta Sasminaganang Varno Yadasamahang Pitrunamayarmachasmi jamatanjamatamaham. Among Nagas, a special class of serpents, I am the serpent god Ananta, and I am Varuna, the lord of aquatic creatures. Among the names, I am Aryama, the head of Pitras, and among rulers, I am Yam, the god of death. प्रह्लादस्मिदैतानं कालः कलयतामहं मृगाणां च मृगन्द्रेहं वैनतेस्यं पक्षिणां. Among the Daityas, I am the great devotee Prahlad, and of calculators, I am time. Among quadrupeds, I am the lion, and among birds, I am Garuda. Pavanaha pavana pavatamasmi Rama tastrabhutamaham Jasanang makarasasmi Svattasamasmi Jannavi. Among purifiers, I am the wind. Among wielders of arms, I am Sri Ram. Among fishes, I am alligator. And among streams, I am the Ganges. Sarganamadirantassa madhyam teivaham Arjuna Adhyatma vidya vidyanang bhadapravattamaham. Arjun, I am the beginning and the middle and the end of all creations. Of all knowledge, I am the knowledge of the soul. Among disputants, I am the right type of reasoning. Aksharanam akarosmi dvanda samasikasya cha ahamevachya kalo dhataham visvato mukha. Among the sounds represented by the various letters, I am A, the sound represented by the first letter of the alphabet of the different kinds of compounds in grammar. I am the copulative compound. I am verily the endless time, the devourer of time, and I am God, sustainer of all, having my face on all sides. Mrityu sarbaharassaha muddhavaschang bhavishyatang Kirti Sri Varkinarinang Sruti Medha Dhuti Kshama. I am the all-destroying death that annihilates all and the origin of all that are to be born of feminities. I am Kirti, Sri, Bhag, Smruti, Medha, Dhriti and Kshama, the goddesses presiding over glory. Prosperity, speech, memory, intelligence, fortitude, and forbearance respectively. Bruhasamratha samna gayatri chandasamaham matanang margasittoha mridunang kusumakaraha. Likewise, among the Shrutis that can be sung, I am the Brahma, I am the Brastama, while among the Vedic hymns, I am the hymn known as Gayatri. Again, among the 12 months of the Hindu calendar, I am the month known as Margasira, corresponding approximately to November, December, and among the 6 seasons successively appearing in India in the course of a year, I am the spring season. Dyutang chalayatamasmi tejastejasvinamaham jayosmi vyavasayosmi sattvam sattvatamaham. I am gambling among deceitful practices and the glory of the glorious. I am the victory of the victorious, the resolve of the resolute, and the goodness of the good. Vrishninang Vasudevasmi Pandavanang Dhananjaya Muninam Apayam Vyasa Kabinam Musana Kabihi. I am Krishna among the Vrishnis, Arjuna among the sons of Pandu, Vyasa among the sages, and the sage Sukracharya among the wise. Dando Damayatam-asmi Nitirasmi Jigisitang Maunam Chaivasmi Guhanang Jnanang Jnanapatamang. I am the subduing power of rulers. I am the righteousness in those who seek to conquer. Of things to be kept secret, I am the custodian in the form of a reticent, and I am the wisdom of the wise. Jacchapi sarvabhutanang bijang tadam arjuna na tadasmi bina jastyan maya bhutang characharam. Arjuna, I am even that which is the seed of all life, for there is no creature moving or unmoving which can exist without me. Nantosmi modibhyanang vibhutinang parantapa esa tudesata prakto vibhutir vistaro maya. Arjun, there is no limit to my divine manifestation. This is only a brief description by me of the extent of my glory. Jadyadi bhutimaschattvang srimaddijitameva vam tata deva bhagachattvang mama tejo Sambhavam. Every such being as is glorious, brilliant and powerful, know that to be a part manifestation of my glory. अथवा बहुनेतेन किं ज्ञातेन तवार्जुन विष्टभ्यामिदं कृष्ण कंसेन जगतः. Oh, what will you again by knowing all this in detail? Arjun, suffices to say that I hold this entire universe by a fraction of my yogic power. ओम तत्सदिति श्रीमद् भगवद गीता उपनिषत्सु ब्रह्म विद्यायां ज्योतिषशास्त्रे श्री कृष्ण अर्जुन संवादे विभूति योग नाम दशमोध्याय. The Sindhopanishad sung by the Lord, the science of Brahma, the scripture of yoga, the dialogue between Sri Krishna and Arjuna, ends the 10th chapter entitled the Yoga of Divine Glories. So this is the beautiful chapter ends. So my dear viewers, those are watching till now, thank you so much for this love. Thank you so much. So once again, please like and subscribe this channel and give me more power. Thank you. सर्वे भवन्तु सुखिनः, सर्वे सन्तु निरामया, सर्वे भद्राणि पश्यन्तु मा कश्चित् दुःखभाग् भवेत्. सबका मंगल हो, दुनिया में शांति रहे, सब उन्नति की पथ पर आगे चले, सबका मंगल हो. जय सीताराम, जय श्री कृष्ण.